So I just got it back from the washing center. And that's the reason that you can see all the water dripping down over here as I put her on main stand. Now, as you know, my engine is pretty corroded, like it doesn't shine, no mirror effect, nothing, not even shiny chrome effect. As a matter of fact, if you can see over here as well, it is pretty damaged right now. And on the other hand, the other side, it's somewhat better because last time I used pitambari over here, so the black spots are not there. They are here but not here. But on the head case, head, it's still there. The head cover is still fucked up. And this you cannot do anything about this. I'll have to get the pipes changed. Here as well, you can see the corrosion has started, and the paint is also chipping off from a few places. So that will be replaced under warranty. Yeah, that's about it. Let's go ahead and use the Autosol metal polish on this and check the results. What I have over here is some gauze, some cotton gauze, a brush to dust off all the particles, Autosol metal polish, and I hope this works because I've seen some YouTube videos which state that this works. So this is actually metal wool. This is used to scrub utensils. You can get it in any soap shop or utensil shop or anywhere. So I've got this, and a t-shirt. And boy, she looks so pretty over here. Using latex gloves because this thing really gets it dirty. I've taken a small piece of this. I'll wear the other glove and let's go ahead and start the process. All you have to do is apply this over here, also over here. So I'll start doing on a smaller part. I'll go ahead and spread it all across. Cover this up. Alright. So all you have to do is move it in circular motions, and you will see the color of the paste changing to dark grey. So let's see if we have any changes over here. I can see up there it's a bit more shinier than down here. So I think a couple of more coats, maybe focus. Right, a couple of more coats are needed. Right, so here's the final product. Tell me it doesn't shine more than what it used to. I know there are swirl marks, but who gives a fuck? And look at this, look at this. So your hands do get dirty, so do wear some gloves, and do wear some high quality gloves, or else you will be facing this. But I'm totally happy with this solution. This really turns out to be really good. what I need exactly is a good cloth to wipe this off, because there's still some residue, but we are only done about this much. So this much is left, the head cover is left, and the other side is left as well. So let's get started. I'm sure over here you might not be seeing the difference, but if I turn my camera over here, see the difference? There it is. Side is complete. Like, I don't feel इससे ज़्यादा मेहनत करने में कोई और समझदारी है, because this will stay like this only. इससे ज़्यादा मिरर इफेक्ट अभी तो नहीं आ सकता भाई, पर मेरे हाथों में तो सिर्फ इतनी ताकत है. I have also done the bend pipe. This was a plastic bucket that got stuck over here. Like, I came here and parked, and there was a plastic bucket, so it got stuck over here. It's not coming off. As I told, I'll be getting a new bend pipe because this one is rusting. So thank you, Royal Enfield, for the new bend pipe. Oh. My eyes can tell right now that it is shining, much better than what it was a couple of minutes before. So I'm happy with this. This really works, wonders. So long story short, वो बाजू का भी बाकी है, मतलब और मेहनत, but this is so satisfying. So, is the casing shining enough? Yes, it is. Even the bend pipe and the exhaust. I even got rid of these ugly lines that you can see are here. These, they don't go off, like washing or anything, they don't go off. But oh my god, it was here as well. And that ugly shit, and it is here as well, but I'm not removing this because it doesn't bother much. But is it shining now or not? It is. Now as I'm standing against the sun, you can see, oh, brilliant. Oh wow. Definitely shining much more than what it was earlier. Just love it. So the other side is almost done as well. It's pretty easy after you know how to do it. I haven't done this part, and you can see it's gone. You have watermarks and everything. I'll try to wipe it off. Nothing. I was riding my motorcycle for the past year and a half, just like this. No buffing, nothing ever, no polishing, nothing. And now just look at it. I'm not wearing the gloves anymore because those gloves, they got torn. And, I thought that it's better off to just go ahead like this and wash my hands later on. But, you really need, some forearm power for this.